Welcome students in a series of operations on large numbers. It is our first part and it is related to addition and subtraction. Two or more numbers called the addends which are added to give an answer sum. See here 176 plus 82 equals to 258. Here 176 is addend and 82 is also addend and the result is called the sum. We will perform addition for large numbers. Our question is find the sum of 2 crore 85 lakh 93,614 and 8 crore 93 lakh 41,123. At first, I have written these numbers in place value chart and always remember, always start writing from ones place like 4 at ones place, then this 1 at tens place, 6 at hundreds place, 3 at thousands place, 9 at 10,000s place, 5 at lakh place, 8 at 10 lakh place and 2 at crore place. In similar way we will write this number also. Now we will add 4 plus 3 equals to 7. 1 plus 2 equals to 3, 6 plus 1 equals to 7, 3 plus 1 equals to 4, 9 plus 4 equals to 13. So we will write 3 here and we will write 1 as carry. Now 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 3 9. Then 8 plus 9 17. We will write 7 here and 1 will be carry. And 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 8 11. So we will write 1 here and 1 on this place. So it is our answer, that is 11 crore 79 lakh 34,737. So in this way we will perform addition on large numbers. Let us do one more question of addition. Find the sum of these numbers. Here are three numbers, three large numbers. At first, I have written all these large numbers in this place value chart and I always starts from ones place while writing a number. Then we will add. How? Just see here. 4 plus 3 plus 4. 4 plus 3 7. 7 plus 4 11. We will write 1 here and 1 as carry. Then 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 5 7, 7 plus 3 10. We will write 0 here and 1 as carry. 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 1 11, 11 plus 2 13. We will write 3 here and 1 as carry. Then 7 plus 1 8, 8 plus 5 13, 13 plus 3 16, 16 we will write 6 here and 1 here. 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 3 12, 12 plus 1 13. We will write 3 here and 1 as carry. Then 3 plus 1 4 plus 7 11. We will write 1 here and 1 as carry. 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 8 18. We will write 8 here and 1 here. 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 5 12. We will write 2 here and 1 as carry. Then 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 2 4. So it is our answer, that is 42 crore 81 lakh 36,301. And students, you know practice is always important in mathematics. So now do these questions of addition in your notebook. In grade 4, you have already learned about the word problems of addition. One thing that you have to keep in your mind, that to identify that it is a problem of addition, we need to remember these keywords. These keywords easily tell you that it is the sum of addition, like join, all together, sum, plus, combined, in all, total, very common, increase, both, add. So now let us do one word problem also. Write the number which is 5,000 more than 34,75,639. Here, understand this term, 5,000 more than this number. So here 5,000 more, it means we have to add 5,000 in this number. It is a sum of addition. We can write in this way also, and we will write both the numbers in this place value chart. And always remember, while writing these numbers in place value chart, always starts from ones place. Now we will add 9 plus 0, 9, 3 plus 0, 3, 6 plus 0, 6, 5 plus 5 equals to, we know that it is 10. So we will write 0 here and 1 here. 7 plus 1, 8, 4, here is 4 and 3, 3. So now we can say that our answer will be this, 34,80,639. Let us solve one more word problem. Rekha has moved to her new flat. She has spent rupees 2,48,000 on furniture, rupees 4,111 on electronics, and rupees 38,015 on furnishing. Find out the total money spent by Rekha. Here is a keyword, that is total. It means we have to add all these spent, right? It means money was spent on furniture equal to rupees 2,48,000. Money was spent on electronics equals to rupees 4,111. Money was spent on furnishing equals to rupees 38,015. To find out the total money, we will add all these three, rupees 2,48,000 plus rupees 4,111 plus rupees 38,015, and your answer will be this. It means Rekha spent rupees 6,86,126. It is the time to understand the next operation, which is subtraction. See here, 9 minus 2 equals to 7. Here 9 is minuend, 2 is subtrahend, and 7 is the difference. Here it is a minus sign and this sign is of equal. So now you have to understand these two terms very carefully, minuend and subtrahend. Minuend is the first number in subtraction, and subtrahend the number to be subtracted from another number, that is called subtrahend, and difference is the result of subtraction problem. Let us perform subtraction on large numbers. These are your numbers: 2 crore 43 lakh 15,902, 2 crore 5 lakh 12,973. We have to subtract these numbers, and you know the first number is called minuend and the second number which is subtracted is called subtrahend, and the answer of this subtraction is called difference. Always remember these terms. Now how we will subtract? Just see here, 2 minus 3. We know that 2 is less than 3. That's why we will borrow from here, but it is 0. So we will borrow from this number. It will be 8. And this will be 10. Now we can borrow from this 10. It will be 9. And here it will be 12. So 12 minus 3 equals to 9. 9 minus 7 equals to 2. Now 8 minus 9. Again 8 is smaller than 9. So we will borrow from here. This will be 4 and it will be 18. 18 minus 9, 9. 4 minus 2, 2. 1 minus 1, 0. Now again 3 minus 5. 3 is less than 5. So what we will do? Yes, we will borrow. Here it will be 3 and it will be 13. 13 minus 5, 8. 3 minus 0, 3. And 2 minus 2, yes, it is 0. So we can say the difference will be 38,02,929. Now it is practice time, my dear students. Practice it. There are few questions of subtraction. Just do in your notebook. The next topic is word problem of subtraction. Again, here are some keywords to identify the subtraction operation in word problems like take away, decrease, minus, less, left, fewer, subtract, how many more, difference. So these are the keywords. Let us solve one question. How much is 6 crore more than 5,78,000? See, here are two numbers, 6 crore and 5,78,000. And you know that 6 crore means this. In a form of numeration, we write like this. And 5,78,000. 5,78,000. And we know that 6 crore is more than 5,78,000. But how much? That we have to find out. How much means we have to find the difference. We have to subtract both the numbers. So at first, it is a question of subtraction. Now, we will write both the numbers in place value chart, and always remember, while writing in place value chart, start from ones place. And these are your numbers I have already written in the place value chart. Now we will do subtraction. See here, 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. Now here is 0 minus 8. 0 is less than 8. So what we will do, we will borrow from here. This 6 will be 5 and this will be 10. Now we can borrow from here. It will be 9 and it will be 10. Now we will borrow from here. Again it will be 9 and it will be 10. Now we will borrow from this 10. It will be 9 and here it is 10. Now we can easily subtract. How? 10 minus 8 equals to 2. 9 minus 7 equals to 2. 9 minus 5 equals to 4. Here is 9 and here is 5. So your difference will be this. Yes, 5 crore 94 lakh 22,000. So we can say that 6 crore is more than 5,78,000. But how much? Yes, 5 crore 94 lakh 22,000. Another question is 7,000 less than 25 lakh 8,913. Now here is a keyword less than. So we have to find out a number which is less than this number. But how much? 7,000 less than. It means it is a question of subtraction. We can easily identify. It is our minuend and it is our subtrend. At first we will write these numbers in this place value chart and now we will do subtraction. 3 minus 0, 3. 1 minus 0, 1. 9 minus 0, 9. 8 minus 7, 1. 0. Here is 0. Then 5, 5 and here is 2. So your difference will be this. Your difference will be 25 lakh 1,913. Let us take one more word problem. Dinesh, a businessman, had taken a loan of rupees 1 crore from a bank to set up his factory. If he paid off rupees 2,98,000 till now, how much more does he need to pay to settle his loan? Now, understand the question always. Dinesh, a businessman, had taken a loan of rupees 1 crore. It means total loan amount equals to rupees 1 crore. If he paid off rupees 2,98,000, how much money he paid off? Yes, 2,98,000. How much more does he need to pay? It means we have to find out the difference. Yes, amount to be paid equals to 1 crore minus 2,98,000. We will write these numbers in place value chart and we will do subtraction. How we will do subtraction? Just see here 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. Here 0 minus 0, 0. But for this 0 minus 8, 0 is less than 8. So what we will do? Yes, we will borrow. So from this 1 we will borrow. It will be 0 and it will be 10. Now we can borrow from here. It will be 9 and it will be 10 now. Now we can borrow from here. It will be 9 and after borrowing it will be 10. Again we will borrow from this 10 and it will be 9 and here it will be 10. Now we can easily subtract. Just see 10 minus 8 2, 9 minus 9 0, 9 minus 2 7 and 9 is 9 here. So it is our difference. That is he needs to pay rupees 97 lakh 2000 to settle his loan. So, my dear students, practice is very important. So, do these word problems in your notebook as a practice. Goodbye.